So next step is collection of data. So in collection of data, you are collecting the information which is relevant to your study, right? So there is the primary data broadly. So broadly we talk about the primary and the secondary data. Primary data, which is the first hand data which you are collecting on your own from the people, right, or from the various participants. And there may be secondary data which is already being collected by the other people, by the other researcher in the past, right? So you're collecting, so you have to decide what kind of data which data will you will be collecting for your study. So in detail we'll be studying what is the various classification of sampling. Whatever sample you have decided in the entire population, you must have decided a particular sample. What is a sample, what is a population, that is we the technical aspect of it we'll study in the next video. So sample is that that part of that the entire population which you have taken for your study in order to make the in order to for your own research, right? So the sampling may be the probability sampling and non probability, so that we'll discuss in the next video. After once you have collected the information or the data, you will analyze the data. Analysis of data can be done initially in the form of some table or some kind of graphical representation, or in the by way of charts also. But you can put certain test also. So broadly we say that there are two types of test which you can use, parametric or the non-parametric one. So that is also could be done by the researcher. Next one is you are drawing some conclusion. Obviously whatever study you have taken up for your own purpose, there has to be some conclusion which you are deriving out of that study. So what you are suggesting to other people, what is your solution to the problem which you have taken up, you will consider that as the conclusion. You will conclude your research, you will conclude your study, and that conclusion when you actually put in the form of some kind of written content, that is known as reporting and presentation. You will make a report of that, whatever study you have done, whatever research you have done. Once you actually put it into words and make a statement of that, so that is known as reporting. So you make a report of that particular study. So this is the entire process of in the simplest understanding, this is known to be the entire process of research. Thank you so much, and the various factors and the other topics will be discussing in the next video.